Government of Odisha has organised the workshop on ecotourism in New Delhi.
This is an initiative by the government through the eco-development committees. We expect that in future private investment will also come. We are experiencing almost 100% growth from year to year.
We are having 39 nature camps. Those are mostly community managed ecotourism destinations, and whatever money comes, 90% directly goes to the community.
It should be a place where thousands of international tourists should be there. I compliment Odisha Tourism for what they are doing.
With the tourism department of Odisha and our members, I think our members will be able to operate destination in a big way.
The backbone of this initiative is the other local peoples or people over there, and how they are very much part of this whole process.
Hotel Restaurant Association of Western India, HRAWI, discussed their recent activities.
We have formed many subcommittees who will coordinate directly with our office for their specific issues. The HRAWI app, which is has been now introduced, and this is an interactive app which tells you everything about HRA. It enables the members to go through and make payments, join conventions, seminars, pay for their subscription, as well as find out details about our members and discount cards.
Enterprising Travel Agents Association plans to concentrate more on knowledge sessions.
We are keeping knowledge sessions. We are trying to keep every month a knowledge session and trying to gather people from our industry to update them about what is happening in the market. We would obviously taking educational trips from ETAA. We plan to do this year and next year.
A lot of planning involved in ETAA's agenda. The best part is they are focusing more on knowledge session. Not only you as a company, your colleagues definitely get a very good chance to explore their ideas and to learn more ideas for the destination especially.